Hello all. Today I'm going to do a vacuuming video here in my own living room. So today we have the Shark Navigator Liftweight Professional along with the Shark Rotator Liftweight Professional. And you would think we're going to be running these side by side. Well, not quite. In this video I'm going to be doing something different. We're going to be running these both at once. Probably something I've never really done before. Well, today that's gonna change. You can see the rug is a little dirty, so I have to clean it. But I was thinking, what if we did it with 2 vacuums instead of 1? Let's see how well that turns out. If you're ready, we're gonna get it going in 3, 2, 1, and also, let's hope that this does not blow a fuse or anything, because that would be really sad. I did plug these into different power outlets, but who knows, we'll see. But hopefully nothing happens and we'll get a good video. Alright, enough talking. Here we go. Alright, well, hopefully you liked that. And let's see which one picked up more. Oh wow, look at that. And now for this one. Oh wow. And this one, there's crap sticking to the dirt cup. Of course, that's typical with a Shark Navigator. But, yeah. I think they both did equally well, and, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So I gotta clean the rest up before my mom comes back in here and, gets mad because she's doing something in the kitchen, and I'm using the living room right now as she's in the kitchen. So, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and... Alright. Yeah, this one, the brush roll is broken. Once again. Grand finale time. Let's see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Not sure what was going wrong with these headlights. That's a little weird. Yeah, this one is definitely going to need a brand new head. So yeah, hopefully sooner than later I'll be able to get a new head for it. But yeah, nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome rest of your day. And look at that. The living room rug is cleaner now. So yeah.